Okay, so I'm here with Steve, and this is the Plaid Cymru tent. The Papad Plaid Cymru yn yr Eisteddfod. So I'm at the Eisteddfod. Yeah. Brawd Barf, yeah. Brothers of the Beard. Da iawn. So I was asking him about his thoughts about independence. And you come from England originally,
I do.
But you live here in Llanrwst.
I've lived here now well over 25 years. Yeah.
Okay. And what are your thoughts? Obviously, you have a Yes Cymru shirt on, which is you're in favor as an Englishman in Wales. You're in favor of Welsh independence.
Yeah, I am, and it came late in life, Phil. As we were talking earlier, I was politicised late in life by a book by E.P. Thompson, and it was the making the English working class, and I realised that as working people, ordinary people, been oppressed for centuries. And we're part of a system, right? And so I was politicised. I was looking for somewhere to go, living in Wales, looking for a party to find that had the same attitudes as me, considered itself socialist in outlook, and Plaid was the place to go, because I think that independence, self-determination, is key to improving the lot of working people, people in the nation.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay. So, thoughts on Welsh independence from Steve, and you probably noticed his little scar on his head. He was bombing down a mountain on a mountain bike. And
I was on the road.
You were on the road.
Yeah,
going down the
Llanrwst Pass.
Oh, you were on the Llanrwst Pass. Oh, okay, so you're still bombing down a mountain.
Yeah.
And you had a blowout, and so now you have the evidence of it. Yeah.
Hurtling towards independence.
Yeah, right. So there's a little bit of a few scratches and blood along the way.
Yeah. There always is.
Yeah. So this is actually one of the things that some friends, I had a friend from the Czech Republic with me. And the Czech Republic is noted for its Velvet Revolution. Yeah. I mean, they kind of partied their way out of, bought music from the West. Plaid got arrested, and and that was their way to independence in a sense. He was saying he was so surprised at how peaceful and accepting and inclusive the event was.
And that's really important. That's a really important feature of it. It's not exclusive. It's not about walling ourselves off behind some barrier across the border between England and Wales.
Right.
It's about self-determination.
Right.
And everybody's included in that, as long as they have the interests of Wales at heart and their citizens. So I like, rather than say I'm Welsh, I like to say I'm a citizen of Wales.
Yeah. Okay, so that's thoughts on independence for Wales from Steve, who's from England, and now living in Wales for the last. Well, I'm from America. Talk about a nation that wants to take everything over, right?
Yeah.
We just do it with McDonald's and Starbucks. Okay, thanks. That was awesome.
Oh, you're welcome.